This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, guys, we had already just like small introduction about in the last Friday class. We had some introduction about training details and what we are going to provide into you. That also given that how the career will be there out system. There the information we discussed in the last Friday class. Okay, yesterday no class. Okay. Now today we'll see that about directly we'll go for about what is out system and why out system or out system capability or out system features, what are the purpose of these all things we'll discuss today class. Okay, so any questions before that? Do you have any questions on this? I think few of them should join today class. Okay, now so you have any questions on that? So nothing, like introduction means me and yourself, and training details, the duration is 45 days, the same timing, 8 to 8:45, and Monday to Friday there is no Saturday Sunday classes. Okay, and every Monday we have mock interview. The class will be recording every day. So we'll share the recording class to you, and we'll give all documents, software, resume preparation, mock interview, job reference, and recording class. These are all things we are going to provide you. Apart from that, if you want like a proxy entity support, job support, that also we can provide you. That's separate chargeable. That's actually that is about training details, and we discuss about course content. So what we're going to discuss about this completely. Hold on. So so then what we are like still not audible. Aditya, what about now? Aditya, I am audible. Can you please rejoin? I'm just talking with you. Wait, just 2 minutes, guys. He's chatting. Aditya. Please rejoin, Aditya. So and we are talking about like course content. What we discussed. Complete is a 45 days course. That is, we saw that we have the course content about here. That I will share you through the email. You can check it. What is there inside the course content? I will discuss it here. Then after that we discussed about career also, out system career, how it will be there if you learn that, because I already told that in future right now. Like in the industry, if you keep some, I don't want, even don't trust me also. Yeah, I told you already, you can prepare one dummy resume and put in the Naukri and check it how many calls will get it, and whatever you're asking whether they're ready to give or not. We can check it that way also. You'll get more information about that. Okay. So this is about to know about how system career also. And now then we came to about what is out system and what is why if you go for intro point of view, the first level question, why is that you're using out system? We have Java, some other languages are available. Even we can easily to develop application writing of coding only, so we can do all things correct only. But so what is out system and why you need out system? See, out system means what? First of all, okay, it's a language. Out system. Out system is a language, is a tool.
No,
What is that?
OutSystem is a tool for software development.
No, out system is a tool. Okay, out system, but this tool is built by language only. Out system, it is a tool. It's a platform. But this platform developed by language. Which language? Do you know any idea? That is
.NET.
.NET. .NET language. By using of .NET language only, they build out system. But .NET, manual coding here, there is no coding here. So out system, it is a standard platform tool. By using this tool, we can design application and manage, deploy the application. That application should be any kind of application. It is standalone application or desktop application, web application or enterprise application, mobile application, tablet application, industry. These many applications are available in industry. To develop each application, we are using number of languages, manual coding. But for all the things, for all the applications, for those all applications, without writing of single percentage custom code, I can develop using of single platform that is called OutSystem. But when you are going to developing of, it is like the code will be generated. I'm not saying that, but the code will be generated by the tool, not by you. Okay, the code will be generated internally in the tool. Okay, in the tool. So OutSystem is a tool. It is a low code tool. This tool is built by, so who is the parent here? .NET. It is a child. By using of .NET, they build a platform OutSystem. It is a tool. Using this tool, it's a I can say that it is a drag and drop design processing tool. So why how to use? Quickly development, quickly deployment, and easily managing, easily supporting to make automation process in our application or existing and future application. We can go for OutSystem tool. This is actually came 2001, is found by the Portugal. 2001 actually, 2001. OutSystem actually came 2001, founded by the Portugal. This is completely to develop and deploy web and mobile, tablet, standalone. Standalone means a desktop application, local application. Web application means you regularly using daily, always Gmail, Facebook, banking applications. Is all are the. It means that I can log in from anywhere without install any software in our system, just using of URL. That is called mobile web application or enterprise application. So easily, this is about what is out system. Then question, why sir? The same thing without writing of code. Industry, industry. Is there any other tools? Is there or not? Yes, is there. Then question. So the same as you're saying that by using of .NET, you are going to develop this out system. Why should I go for out system here? I can go for directly .NET itself. It's open source software, right? I can go and develop that application. Good. You know one thing. Nowadays, very simple. Everything if you want, directly you can go for the ready-made shops. Whatever is the dress, something, whatever is required. But before days, there are a lot of process will be there. If you want to dress for for everyone, like anyone, you need to plan at least 1 month before. But now, just simple directly can go for the shop because the same quality and whatever you like dress, it is available ready-made shops only. But there we can save the time, and I'm getting the quality. I'm very happy with the support, everything. Very simple here. You started some business right now in industry. Any business, small or big, whatever. From the business, what you're expecting here? From the business, what you will expect? Can you please tell anyone?
Profit.
Profit. Then,
Generate the revenue.
sorry. Come on.
Generate the revenue.
Generate the revenue. Okay. Anything else, Basha? See, it means that industry we have other Java, .NET. Using those languages also we are getting revenue, right? Profit also. But the problem is here how to get sorry.
Like for the at the minimum uh, package of time, we want the maximum output.
Correct. How to get more profit within the less time. Time is important
Yes,
nowadays.
correct.
Okay. How to get more profit within the less time. How to give the quality product to the customer within the less time. Please note it here. Time is very important here nowadays. How to give the good services to the customer. Not only profit, quality is also. See, there are organizations and users are there. Users, customers very happy. They are getting quality product within the less time. The same thing they are getting quality, good profit in the less time. The same thing, good service, good support is very important. Both are happy here. Before these tools not introduced here, IT started to research and find the solution. What we can do. So using of Java, .NET, we are getting good profit, no doubt on that. We are giving quality also application, security application, everything is good, no doubt on that. But problem is here, time is matter. It's taking time, but nowadays, you know well, there are a lot of competitions are going. If you release, if you go delay your business, you are losing your business, right? Because others will catch your business, others will get the more users, others will get the profit. So everybody right now, more competitions here for the any industry is not specific. Every area, even right now, even your working place also, this competitions will be there. For everyone, there is the competitor will be there. So what is specialization is very important here. So they started, then they thinking if you go for BPM tool, you got it? If you go for a BPM tool, I can achieve the main three goals here. Whatever you discuss, main three goals, I can achieve easily here. So I want ready-made. As you before you want dress, something product, some item, whatever, there is a lot of manual process, but quality will be there, no time. So, but time is taking more here. The same quality within the less time, the same satisfaction, the same support, Everything I'm getting within the short time. Why should I think it about that way? So they started BPM tools. But finally, these BPM tools, by using of any BPM, there are not only OutSystem here, there are APN. Okay, there are other tools are available industry. Any idea? What are the other tools? BPM tools are available in this industry. APN,
Bigger.
Pega,
Tableau, Cognos,
and Salesforce, Cisco, OutSystem.
Tableau
So
also.
there are, yeah, Tableau is a BPM, not right. That's a
Okay.
customer relationship tool, madam, not BPM tool.
Okay.
And IBM BPM, Oracle BPM, there are number of tools are there in industry. These are all the tools, two things here, either Java or .NET based language. Either Java or .NET based language. By using of these languages, they build tools. So using any tool, I can achieve the main three challenge. There is no doubt on that. Correct.
Sir, I
But
have a question.
yes, yeah.
Sir, APN, BPN, or would the tools are the low-code platform as well, just like the OutSystems?
Hmm. Correct. Low code only. APN, Pega, these are low code only. These are low
Okay.
code tools. It is a tools, low code tools. APN is built by .NET. Pega is built by Java. Sales are the same. Tip goes the same. IBM BPM, that's called Lombard BPM. Oracle BPM. But there are difference will be there. I'll tell you what is that. Your OutSystem competitor here, APN. APN is the OutSystem. APN, Pega, these all are the our competitors. All are the tools on. That's what I'm telling you, no? Other tools. These are the low code tools only. There is no doubt on that. If you want, you can check it to Google also. As today in training, Madhuri told me that whether low code or not, object there is no 100%. I'm telling you, low code tool only. Same category, your out system, APN, Pega. But why you're using number one here? Why you're using? I can go. These all are like again. I'm telling you, not a free licensed. The based on Pega and out system top billing, remaining bit cheap compared to out system Pega. There's a little bit cheap APN, Salesforce, TIBCO, Oracle BPM, IBM BPM. There are a number of things there. Then a question again. So then I can use Pega, right? Yeah, I can use it. But why? Why should you? If you go for interview, by seeing your application, why are you using out system to develop your application? Why should not go for languages or why should not go for your other tools? Correct. You know, in the class, the 60 students will be there. Same category people, no doubt on that. Same class, same category, same room, right? Same subject, everything will be there. But if you ask who is the class first, you can say 60 students. So you can say only one person. And second, third ranks will be there. You can go one by one. That why? The special is there. What is special? First, we can say marks and behavior, attitude is all we can consider. And we can say is the first and second, third. The same thing in the tools level also. Inside tools level also, the same apart from the three features. Apart from the three features, what are the special features are available inside the out system? Is with the point. So I can use as some Diksha is asking APN Pega is low code tool. Yes, 100%. There is no doubt on that. Even you know, Pega is 0% Diksha. 0% code. I'm not saying low code. 0% code. But
Okay.
it's a but. I want easy compared to easy. I want to develop within the single minute. That out system we can do that. Got it? By using the three common features will be there in all the system. There is no doubt on that. Apart from that, you saying that out system is number 1 and 2 is Pega and APN. But competitor, why? Because for the out system, APN both the same base language out .NET. Why we not competitor? We are not choosing Pega because Pega is built by Java language. Okay, the competition will be there. I'm just telling that. Okay, now mainly people will prefer out system. The APN is our competitor. We can say that. Pega also our competitor only because they both are the same community. Means .NET language. Now no coding is fine here, but I want to easily to develop within the single minute. Within the single minute, I want to develop the application end-to-end application. That is the matter here. To develop your application within a single minute, easy process. There's no coding, and if you feel too difficult to develop application, what is the purpose of that? See, as I have business, if I reach to everyone will be happy, then only I'm the number 1 position here. As of
Yeah.
now, organizations
Sorry,
and customers,
sorry,
yeah.
sorry to interrupt you, sir, but just want to ask you that if Pega is in Pega we did not use. You have said that Pega is of zero code. We don't use
Hmm.
the code in the Pega, but in OutSystem we use somewhat code. So
Hmm.
how the OutSystem is better than?
That's why I'm coming. Again, I'm telling you,
Yes.
coding is not a matter, man. Here, that's what I'm telling you. I want develop the application easily. So develop the application means what? There are application is providing number of business services to implement business logic. I want easy way. No coding, fine, but it's difficult to write the business logic here. Got it? To creating and configuring, we have to feel there are like we need to feel some difficult. But if coming to out system, it's easily we can develop the logic here. That's one thing. I can say that Pega is top. There is no doubt on that. But why we are coming to Pega? Then we'll go for Pega, correct? But Pega is already established industry. There are a lot of people are there, but out system now it is coming. Huge requirement. There is no people here. Now we are focusing on that. Then if you go for without system, I can get whatever I want. You got it. Now both are fighting. I was saying that there is no doubt on that. Go and check it. Google also. Both are fighting right now. Not only both, even IPN also. Three are fighting right now. But which one you have to go means already in APN or Pega, both are in the industry. People have some awareness. People are available for this Pega and APN. But if you go for out system in the industry, we are getting the people out of 10 will get 1 or 2 people. But requirement, huge requirement. Why? Now people are started to develop all the industries by using of out system. Why your question again? I can go for Pega. Correct. Again, I'm going to say that one by one. Because I want develop. I want to develop very less time within the less time and quality and easily and by clicking off. So this is like unbeatable speed here for the developing purpose and deployment purpose and managing these all things very and security. These all like compared to the Pega. we can do within a single minute. That's why people are now preferring the out system. Okay, what I'm saying, you got it right now? So if you go for, I'm saying that why no coding here, but Pega out system may have some little bit of code. Then I go for the Pega, why should I come correct? But coming to here, to easy process, I can do the easy. I can develop easily to develop the application by using of it. Not only development, here, we have to deploy. Once you develop the application, I need to compile and deploy and manage within the same platform within the by clicking off within the few seconds. Within the few seconds, just click only by clicking off single button. There we can say it is the unbeatable speed. So if we talk core application, core means presentation layer, business logic layer, database layer. So every application will have the layers. There is no, without layers, there is no application. You know what is the purpose of everything? It is a hot middle layer to write the business logic, database layer to hold the data, presentation layer, what is going the backend I want to present to the users, because we are the non-technical persons. If you present the business logic, I'm not able to understand. To understand them, I can use here presentation layer. To design every layer, we have different languages. But coming to an out system, without knowing any languages, I'm not saying that without writing of code, without knowing any languages, I can develop the end-to-end application easily by using of drag and drop design processing tool. Okay, there is no coding here. There is no coding here. Just drag and drop design processing tool means inside we have elements are available here. Ready-made elements, ready-made products, ready-made layers, logics will be there here. By using of those ready-made things, I'm going to use, or I can customize also. Either we can use ready-made or product rules, product things, or we can create our own customized without writing off any. Whatever you are expecting is not available, then you want to write custom code? No, it's not required. That is the case. If you are again writing the code here, it is duplicate of the .NET, right? The one industry won't allow you, first of all. Because already .NET is there. Why should I allow you again? It's a duplicate, no? Duplicate, nobody will allow you. It should be unique, then only I can allow you. Am I correct? So, without writing off any coding, I can develop the whole application, end-to-end application, just by using of drag and drop design processing tool. Okay, a single application is fine, but now industry, you know that every application will be different some other application, no doubt on that. Correct? You just see that Amazon, Flipkart, if you want, once you buy the product, you need to do payment, so you need to get the banking services, either providing services or consuming the services, means getting the services. There is no application, there is no application in industry, without taking any, without dependency. Every application will be dependency. It means that to connect to two different applications, two different domain applications, we should use integrations. For that industry web services they used, that is called SOAP and REST. We need to write custom code. But if you coming to out system, there is one more room is they created, that is integration purpose. Out system is ready, this tool is ready to connect with any external application that will be developed by any software. We don't bother about that. Okay, that will be developed by any software. We don't bother about that. I'm ready to connect it. Again, we have plugins are available. Ready-made plugins, inbuilt plugin that's called soap and rest only. What is soap and rest? Those are the protocols we'll talk to later, not now. So what I'm saying that to connect other applications, either getting services or providing services. Again, here also I'm using just creating and doing of configuration. I'm not writing any coding here. Just doing of configuration, I'm able to connect any external application from OutSystem application. OutSystem application. But then question, as of saying that APN, what about APN and Pega, our competitors? No coding, same thing. But there are number of inside we need to do a lot of configuration. But here, they minimize the configuration here. That is the difference here, I'm telling you. Pega has 0% code, but what happened that we need to do a lot of configuration there. To develop application, I have to do number of creating thing and do the lot of things configuration. But here, less creating, less configuration. Then by that way, I can easily create the application on OutSystem platform. Okay, OutSystem platform. So OutSystem mainly, it's like speed is, it's unbeatable speed. It will develop your full stack application and fast and deploy with one click. With one click, it will be deployed successfully into the server. It will integrate everything here. And very important, presentation layer, that is called user experience. That look and feel is very important. So the users will attract by seeing the the look and feel. Is not good, definitely nobody will come. So the look and feel. So we are providing great user experience here by default. It's by default. So, and the security, very important. I'm giving quality application the less time. Without security is not possible. Even every application will have at least basic security. That is called username password, right? Even Gmail, Facebook, there no account. You have to log in with using our username password. That's called basic security. So OutSystem application will provide more security and it will support any kind of security mechanism. That is called basic security, custom security for your application also. For these things, so just doing a small configuration, we have the ready-made available inside the product level. So just doing of those things, so I can do that. So we are talking about core application. I'm talking about integration application. I'm talking about security. Then about very important, you know that right now you are hearing mainly cloud. Cloud, right? What do you mean cloud? Before we don't have cloud, right? In industry. But now people are, everybody is here, no, cloud system, cloud system. Google cloud, Amazon cloud, even our OutSystem cloud, some third party cloud, everything. Cloud means right now I have my application. Before we don't have cloud. Without cloud, I only maintain my application. I only thinking about to implement business functionality also. So there is I'm spending time to maintain my application support also. So why? We can completely concentrate my business. I don't want think about my application support. Is there any people are there to take care of my application? That is called cloud system. before client my own, that is called on-premise environment. On-premise environment. On-premise environment. On cloud environment. But even hybrid environment also. Hybrid means there's a high speed environment, high speed clouds also available. Either on-premise environment, cloud environment, hybrid cloud environment, third party cloud environment, any system OutSystem will be supported also. They know in specific. The same thing OutSystem is ready to develop any domain application also, not specific domain. Is banking domain, healthcare domain, insurance domain, telecom domain, out sector, government sector domain, education domain. It's not specific here. It will support any domain application also. It will support any type of application also. Because of these all the futures, right now trend is going to develop any application. They are choosing OutSystem. Got it? So what are the features are we have discussed right now? OutSystem is a platform, it is a tool where we can construct the application, any kind of application without writing of any custom code, just doing of drag and drop design processing way. I can develop the application and I can manage, I can deploy and manage the easily within the server level, because inside the OutSystem itself we have the server also, I have the database also, everything will be there within the OutSystem itself. So by using of OutSystem, I can develop the quickly any application. Is a mobile, is a web application, as a standalone application, is an enterprise application. That is about what is OutSystem. But why we have to go for OutSystem? By using of OutSystem, I'm going to giving of quality product to the customer within the less time. I'm getting good profit within the less time. I'm giving good service to the customer. Then OutSystem, one more thing is very important. It will support any operating system. It will support any database. That's why we can say OutSystem is an independent platform tool. It will support any domain application also. It will support any type of application without writing of any custom code. So no coding here. It is a drag and drop design processing tool.
Sir, can
It is
you please?
go ahead, Risha.
Yeah, sir, can you please repeat about the cloud that you have just told, Google Cloud, Amazon Cloud, and OutSystems Cloud?
I'll tell,
Can you just?
yeah, I'll tell you, Diksha. Even recording class also, I'll tell you that. Okay, no? Already 8:45. See, OutSystem will support any kind of environment. There are two types of will be there, Diksha. On-premise environment, cloud environment. On-premise environment is nothing but client system, client own missions. Okay, and now who is maintaining third-party people? Your application, just we need to pay the monthly rental. That is called cloud system. We have Google Cloud, Amazon Cloud, TCF Cloud, Pivotal Foundry Cloud. The third-party clouds are there. The same thing, OutSystem will have also own cloud also. It will support anything. As your requirement, I am ready for anything. You got it, Diksha now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think already so because of this all the features I'm going to use to OutSystem tool to develop my applications. So I'll send you the recording class. Please watch the record, and tomorrow before starting again, I'm going to repeat all the features. You can note it, and please maintain the notebook also. And tomorrow I'm going to show you that, okay, out system again. I can review the features. Then after that, I'll show you that out system components and look and feel how it will be. That tomorrow we can see on that. So I have 9 o'clock meeting will be there. Do you have any question? Kick, please. Please join on time so then we can have the more time. We'll discuss more. Please join on time. Okay, at 7:55. That's good for us, right? To discuss more about that. Yes.
Sure.
Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.